Hi guys, it's Gabby. Welcome back to my channel. Back today with another new releases video, and we have a ton that are coming out today for time zones that we release everything. Just check down below, but I'll just go through everything one by one because there's quite a few things. So our first new releases are these new script icons that we've released into the shop. I'm planning on bringing quite a few more out. So the first script is day off. The second one is workout time, and I love using these because my handwriting is awful and it's just so nice to be able to have like nice writing in your planner. Then, and a kitten. Sorry. Then you have Friday, which I will always use on Fridays, and then payday, and we have heaps more to come. Next, speaking of kittens, who is now playing with my planner, we have 3 new Pellas out, and if you watched our new release video last week, let me just zoom in. You'll know that we've now released a new character into our shop, which is the first kind of, other than our GP girls, first character to ever come to our store. So this week we've got Groceries Pella, and you can just see she's just getting into that grocery bag, and for any of us that have cats, we know exactly what that's like, but I'm definitely going to use that to mark my grocery runs. Next is Yoga Pella. We just zoom in, look at her doing that little cat stretch. How cute is she? And then the last one is Planner Pella, and we've just got, she's sitting on a planner with a stack of washi, and that's exactly what my cats look like when they sit on my planner. So yes, those are the 3 new Pellas that are coming out. Then we have our January monthly kit, which is so beautiful, and it's got a real kind of fresh start feel to it for January. I thought, you know, everyone kind of wants to reach new goals and get motivated for the new year, so I thought this would be a really good kit to do that. So you've just got like all of these workout items, and then this little box says chapter 1, and I just love this font with the hearts. I think it's so beautiful. And then you've got your full boxes, then your other header, and then washi strips, appointment labels, date covers, lots of icons and other functional stickers. Then you have your sidebar stickers and headers, more labels, paydays, bill dues, and then a rescheduled and cancelled. So that's for the Erin Condren size, and then it comes in our like personal TN size. So you've got your side washi strips, and then your top banners again, your weekday covers, more kind of different sized full boxes, date covers, like a long sidebar, and then you've got like lots of labels, half boxes, sorry kitten, paydays, bill dues, icons, kind of everything that you get in the EC kit, but just miniaturized. So that's your personal kit. And then we have 2 new weekly kits out this week, and the first one is using the same photography as I did for the January kit, because I thought it was so beautiful, and I would do like a weekly kit, and I called it New Beginnings because again you can use it at the start of the year for like a fresh start kind of feel. So you've got your first functional sheet, which is just your heart checklists, lots of sidebar stickers and lots of other functional stickers, and I love this kind of muted, kind of dusty dove greys and pinks in that. Then you have your second functional sheet, so your to-do and today headers, glitter headers, more appointment labels, bill dues, lots of icons, and as you can see I'm slowly changing up new icons, just kind of updating them, and then 2 weekend banners. Then you have your gorgeous full boxes. I love this photography, and in the middle I've just got to a fresh start, which is the little quote, and again you've got like your fitness icons, your makeup, like a little travel one as well if you're planning any travel, and just lots of florals as usual, and then your block headers, your to-do boxes and another sidebar sticker and more appointment labels, your quarter, half boxes and little things, your bottom washi, which is so pretty, and then your washi strips, and then your date covers and deco. So that is the first weekly kit. And of course it comes in the personal size as well, so you get like your side washi, the smaller full boxes, and heaps of functional stickers. Then you have your next kit, which is called Celestial, and if anyone received our July subbox this year, it was sort of in the same theme, and I just loved all the patterns that we used, so I definitely wanted to make it into a weekly kit. So again, this is your functional sheet, and I'll just show it, I don't have to go through it all again. Your second functional sheet, and I just love that weekend banner, I think it's so pretty, and the colours like the peaches and purples and like bright blues. Then your full boxes, and the quote just says never stop looking up, and you've got like this girl blowing a bubble and she looks very busy, and just lots of like planets and stars. To-do boxes and sidebar sticker and more appointment labels. Quarter boxes, half boxes, and little things. Your really pretty bottom washi with the stars, and then your washi strips. And then your deco and date covers, and there's really pretty deco in this one. And then the personal sheet looks like that. So you've got the really pretty side washi and then these full boxes. So yeah, that's all the new releases for this week. I really hope you guys like all of it. I'm really happy with how everything turned out, and I love our new Pellas. I think they're all so cute. Yeah, so let me know what you think. Let me know what you'll be picking up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!